everyone, welcome to Pratha. This is Kavita Kuparkar. I am showing a stunning set of ikat sarees. These are pure Pochampalli silk ikat sarees, all hand woven. Excellent craftsmanship. Each and every saree is going to make you fall in love with the craft. Just look at this first combination that I am showing. It's a stunning shade of brown. It's not a black, I hope it's visible. It's a beautiful shade of deep brown with this stunning pink in its border. The border also has a zari border towards both the ends and this lovely ikat skirt border in pink. This is the pallu. A very pretty saree. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next saree. Now the next one is a very interesting color. It's a group chow. It is blue with a little bit of yellow. If you see the base color, it has a beautiful reflect of yellow as well as a light greyish blue in it with lovely colors in orange, mustard yellow and red in its ikat weave. These are the beautiful zari borders. If you don't want a big border, big ikat border, then this is perfect for you all. Also the zari border makes it look even more festive. Just look at this pallu. The pallu has all over design, not just panels of ikat. So yes, this is it. If you like this one, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. Now the next is a beautiful saree. This is a blue and blue. A beautiful light sky blue with a firozi in its border. Nice plain borders. Very pretty ikat design all over the body. This is the stunning pallu. It comes with a plain contrast blouse. Imagine this saree with nice chunky jewelry, maybe just a big pendant or beaded jewelry. It will look very pretty. So yes, this is it. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the next one. Now the next is a stunning black. Very delicate design all over the saree. It's a very delicate saree. Not too many busy patterns in the ikat. A simple light grey and black. Just look at the borders. Look at the simplicity of this saree. It looks absolutely elegant. This is it. You can also choose to wear a nice contrast blouse with it. It might look very pretty. So yes, this is the saree. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Now the next one is another white and red, off-white and red, beautiful pearl white. Now this particular saree has all the stunning royal animal motifs. Very difficult to weave. It is not easy to weave these sarees. Just imagine the workmanship that goes behind this. This is a tie and dye art. This is not printing. So the threads are tied and dyed and then these sarees are woven with these patterns. It is an unimaginable art of weaving. Absolutely worth all the pains taken. Just look at the elegance of this saree. So yes, this is it. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. Let's move to the last saree of this video. The last one is a lovely royal blue. Very pretty color. Very fresh, very vibrant. If you want a nice blue saree, this is perfect. You can wear this for any theme where there is a theme of, royal blue. It's a beautiful option. Nice plain borders on both sides. This is how it looks. If you like it, please take a screenshot and send it to me on WhatsApp. So yes, this was our ikat sarees collection. I hope you all enjoyed watching. We have our last few days of this year left. We have many new collections that we want to show you all. I'll keep posting videos through this year and also we have a beautiful lineup for you all for the next year. Stay tuned. If you've not visited our store on Bhandarkar Road in Pune, make sure you visit it. Plan a visit here. We have new sarees, new collections launched at this new store. It's a beautiful space to come and experience Pratha sarees. So you all are most welcome. Thank you. Keep watching.